What is Canva? Canva is a graphic designing tool that you can use for designing, and for that there is no need of high skills of designing. Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Tariq Rahim and I am a PhD scholar at University of Campania. Welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. After a long time we are back with a very good and attractive Canva series. And this Canva series you will learn about different things that will help you in your business and social media. Beside that, it will help you in your education and other platforms. So first of all, we are going to the introduction where you can explore what we can do in Canva. So on the left panel you can see there is option of create, from where you can click and create designs for yourself, for your logo, for your business card, and for presentations, and also for assignments. So you can use it for different purposes. So when you click on home, so there is option of poster and a flyer and sheets, documents. So you can prepare different things by using Canva. So that's a very good platform, and all these things are free of cost. So next is project. Whenever you prepare anything that will save in projects, for example, you prepared a business card for yourself, so that will be your first project. And after that, the next is a template, from where you can get different templates that you can use for your purpose. And all these templates are free of cost, but yes, there is some templates. For that you have to get a pro plan of Canva Pro. For example, here I'm going to search a business card, and by searching business card there is also options are available over there. We will prepare business card in our coming videos, so this is quite easy. And what we will do, we will complete everything in very short time. And yes, there is option of Canva AI, where you can click and see all these options that are available over there. You can prepare your video designs, write up, and also you can prepare your image, and there is different designs over there. Beside that, at the end you can see there is the option of notification, and from where you can click and see okay which type of notification do you have. And after that you can also check your own profile, like you can change the theme of your Canva, and also there is a option of plan and pricing, from where you can get information that which type of plans do you have. For example, there is an option of Canva free, which is free, and there is some features for that you have to pay, and for that you will move to Canva Pro. We are going back to the home, where you can see these options again, and there is an option upload add media, where you can upload pictures and some more documents that you have in Canva. So this is options that is quite useful if you want to upload something here. Just as an example, we are going to search logo, and in the search bar we are interested, for example, in medical logo. So by searching medical logo, we have different options. Yes, you can say most of them are paid, but there is still some options over there that you can use without paying a single penny from your pocket. So if you're ready to learn, grow, and create like never before, make sure to subscribe Knowledge Elevator and hit the bell icon so you don't miss a single lesson in this series. I promise every video will bring you one step closer to becoming a skilled professional designer, where you can learn how to prepare outstanding logo. I'm really excited to start this journey with you. So let's start learning knowledge with Knowledge Elevator. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon.